Namaskar and greetings on behalf of the City Palace Museum, Udaipur. I am Shikha Jain. My organization Drona is associated with the City Palace Museum, its planning, galleries, and building conservation for more than 15 years now. Anyone who has visited the museum in the past or even seen pictures of the City Palace Museum realizes that this museum is a dream in itself. Housed in the beautiful 16th century Grand Palace spaces, located next to the picturesque setting of Lake Pichola in Udaipur, indeed it is a feast for anyone's eyes. This Living Heritage Museum has fulfilled the wishes of many visitors in the last 50 years of its existence by making them experience the glorious tales of the Mewar royals, spurring their imagination to fantasize how the 22 Maharanas lived at different times in different palace rooms and spaces. The visitors also get a chance to be part of the royal festivals being celebrated in the palace courtyards since centuries till today. And they even get to see the horse stables that are still functioning, the silver collection which continues to be used for religious rituals, and various other collections of sculptures, music, armory and paintings that place it amongst one of the most outstanding museums in India. The vision of the City Palace Museum at Udaipur is to continue celebrating the living heritage of eternal Mewar by conserving its past and also integrating the evolving needs of the people, the locals as well as the visitors for future. Its present CEO for the Maharana of Mewar Charitable Foundation, which is a custodian for the museum, Shriji Arvind Singh Mewar, who is also the 76th custodian of the House of Mewar, is a visionary who passionately believes in looking at the future while being in present and preserving the past as well. Today, I am pleased to inform that the museum has planned well for its future even in the given situation of an uncertainty of a pandemic. While the museum immediately started reaching out to its audience through virtual tours after the lockdown in March, it is now developing a strategic plan for its future in 2020 and beyond. The museum has a strategy to open in phases and also be ready for intermittent lockdowns if such a situation arises again, while ensuring safety of its visitors, staff, collections and the palace building. The museum team and all the experts have reviewed the situation in Udaipur and studied how museums across the world are handling COVID-19 and lockdowns to finalize a strategic plan which is actually twofold. One, it focuses on the virtual presence, and secondly, it aims at a safe and successful reopening of the museum after the lockdown. This plan is dynamic in nature and is constantly being updated by museum experts and the local team to adapt to the changing situation for COVID-19. Besides planning for reopening with all safety measures in place and starting online museum activities such as webinars, panel discussions, workshops for children and educational training programs, the plan also provides monitoring checklists for the condition of the building and spaces, condition of artifacts and care of galleries during the lockdown and in the post-lockdown situation. We hope that this museum plan will serve as a reference for how museums in India can tackle this crisis. It will also serve to mobilize COVID-19 funding for cultural institutions and create possible collaborations for online museum activities to reach to its audience. We also hope that it will establish best practice for the museum collections, staff and visitors in the lockdown and post-pandemic situation. The future of the museums should be taken positively as a fillip in the current situation. We foresee our museum extending into a double presence now, the virtual and the physical, and both need to be sustained experience for the visitors for the future. Thank you.